Law was always something I wanted to do. My father was an insurance defense lawyer, and he would defend the insurance companies. I said, "Dad, I want to be a lawyer just like you." And he goes, "No, I don't want you to be a lawyer just like me. You have the personality, I think you'll do a lot better suing the insurance companies and doing plaintiff work." And he was right. My name is Justin Cernitz. I'm from Long Island, New York. I came to law school in Miami in 2002, and then I never left. It was always my dream to be a lawyer. It was always my dream to have my own firm. And in 2010, I realized that dream and started Cernitz Law. At Cernitz Law, we handle the property insurance claims for residential and commercial properties. We also handle personal injury claims. So anybody that's out there that's had home damage, any business that is their building damage, we're here to help. That's what we do.
I came out of law school, and the only job that I could get was working at an insurance defense firm. And I just soon fell in love with property insurance law.
In 2010, Candace gave me the blessing to go off on my own.
But if all hell breaks loose, I'm gonna blame everything on you. It's like I was that nervous.
I got so busy after the first 2 years, I had to go, "Candace, I need you to quit your job and I need you to come help me."
I said, absolutely not, it's not gonna happen. And he's like, "You need to just do this for me." So I finally said, "Oh, okay." And it's been the best thing that has ever happened to us.
For a homeowner who has damage to their house for the first time, has to report the claim to the insurance company, and then finally realize that the insurance company didn't pay what they should have paid, or they denied their claim, they don't know where to turn. We want to be there to help the homeowner because A, it's very stressful. You're trying to put your house back together, and the insurance companies are going to fight you tooth and nail to get their money.
Insurance is a business. The only way that they're gonna make a lot of money is not paying out a lot of their claims. The average person would never be able to look at their policy and understand their coverages. Because of that, you're at the mercy of an insurance company to tell you what your coverages are. And that's a really dangerous thing.
Each and every client of ours is important. It doesn't matter how little or small a claim is, we put the same amount of energy and drive into each and every case to make sure that they get everything that's afforded to them under the policy.
There's a home in a town called West Miami. The shower, apparently there was a leak. It was so moldy inside the walls and all that, so the bathroom was shut down for about 2 years. And everybody had to use the same bathroom, so it really impacted our lives. Once the Cernitz law firm got involved, everything that was wrong with the bathroom was fixed. A couple of years later, Hurricane Irma hit Miami and I had damage in the house. I thought about getting in touch back again with the Cernitz law firm since they were so helpful. I was glad that I did because I was able to get what I needed to get done in the house.
I have a home that I inherited from my parents. The place was rented to a family, and we get a call one day that the house is on fire and it's burning down. All I could think about was this was my mother's house that she took care of so lovingly. When I got there and saw it in that condition, it was really heartbreaking. Once I contacted Cernitz Law, it took a great load off of me personally, and we were able to successfully finish up the property, and honestly, it looks beautiful.
I manage the Marcus Center in Miami, Florida. It has 52 offices and 52 tenants. There was a lightning strike and fire which affected our building and therefore affected our day-to-day operations and being able to run the building. We came out of pocket in order to make sure that the building was back up and running and all of our tenants were taken care of. We filed the claim. We thought we had given them everything that they required in order to pay the claim until you get a letter saying, "We're not covering this." Justin was very supportive and guided me through the whole process, and we were able to reach a settlement that I was comfortable with.
After a client gets referred to me or I sign a new client, I get to know them. And I think that makes it really personal because I think about my cases day, noon, and night. I wake up in the middle of the night thinking about my cases, what I could do better on them. And when I know the story, it really makes me feel good that I can help these people.
I think you have to look to someone who you feel will do the best possible job not only for you personally, but professionally. And with Cernitz Law, that's what we have found.
After working with a Cernitz law firm, our life is very happy.
My life looks a lot more relaxed now, thanks to Cernitz Law.
We just want to win. We want to solve the problem for you. And not on my watch is the insurance company gonna do what they did to you anymore. Not on my watch. Because at Cernitz Law, it's personal.
If you or a loved one has had property damage, reach out and call Cernitz Law. Call 888-68-DAMAGE.